working as a Jumia affiliate is one of the most legitimate ways of working online in Kenya, and that's why I made a video 4 months ago, and I've just realized that this video has picked up so good. YouTube has started suggesting it, and apart from that, what I like is the kind of comments that I am receiving. Some of the comments I may not be in a position to answer. For example, how can I check for money that I have earned on this site? Because yes, the site does not give you the account details, that is how much you have earned, but I was able to reply to Daniel and I told him that Jumia will email you whenever you have a commission at the end of the month. So I had someone also ask me how to register for a pickup station, and this question I understood it in 2 ways. One is that, do you have a shop that you want to turn to be a pickup station for Jumia? Or do you want to pick up a station on your checkout? So I don't know. That's why I asked him, do you have a shop or do you want to pick a station? So these are some of the questions that I've received. But then I just needed to show you how to become a Jumia affiliate in the right way. How can you create an account just from scratch? So this video is basically to show you how to become a Jumia affiliate and how you can post your stuff and earn some money online. If you have been following me closely, I have started a new series on this channel on how to grow your presence on YouTube. I just want to bring that out, and I don't know if you like what I'm creating so far. Let me know down in the comments if you are enjoying these videos of how to grow your presence online, because most of you were telling me that you are willing to watch videos on how to grow your presence online. So let me know down in the comments below if these videos are very relevant to you. So let's go straight away on how to become a Jumia affiliate. I don't want this video to be long. So my friend, the first thing to do is to search for call.jumia.com. So this is the website that you are going to load, and this website gives you access to the affiliate program. So you will allow it to load, then you will fill up a sign up form, and after that you will be registered as a Jumia affiliate. So I am already signed in. All I need to do is to sign out so that I can start from scratch. So if you have an account, you will sign in, but at this moment I am assuming that you don't have an account. So I will click on sign up. Then this form will load. All you need to put is your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, that is your preferred password, your phone number, and you will choose your country because Jumia is in many countries. And then if you have a website, you will have to click and put here, and after that you will agree to the terms, right? So I will do that really quick and show you the next screen. After you have completed that form, you will need to verify your email. So that means you've been sent a link on which you will click, and after that your email will be verified. So we shall do that. So here is the very email, and all I need to do is to click on verify email. That's all I needed to do. My account is now set. I can now see my information, and if I need to change anything here, my friend, I can change anytime, any day. You can also go to the account details and check your account, and in case you want to make changes, you can make them at any given day. My friend, also you can also check out the payout details so that you make sure that they are right and that you have set them in the rightful manner, because when they are sending the money, you need to make sure that the money is going in the right place. And for me, I chose M-Pesa because I need my money to come directly to my M-Pesa account. I don't want to do with banks, I don't want that whole process. You will choose your favorite payment method. For me, I've gone for M-Pesa. After you've created an affiliate account, the next thing to do is to visit Jumia itself. So we shall look for jumia.co.ke, and then we find products that we can sell to people, and out of that we are going to earn. But before we earn, how much are we expected to earn? So I'll come back to Jumia call, and I'll come to support. I'll click on commission model, and here I will have access to the various commissions that we get, and this has been divided in different countries. So we are told, kindly find the commission structure per country as stated below. Please be informed that in 2020 you are eligible for basic commission plus bonus by default. So that is in 2020. However, from 2021, we are not favored by this. But anyway, from early 2021, you will be eligible for bonus only after a target conversion or order threshold is met. My friend, we can scroll. So we have different countries. This is for Egypt. We need to find for our country. So you will look for your country. This is for Nigeria. I'm from Kenya, so I'll look for Kenya. Just a minute. Yes, this is Kenya, new commission. So my friend, we have different categories, and from different categories you earn differently. So men clothing seems to be the highest. Also in other countries, I guess clothing is highest. So for example, if you sell a cloth for men, you will earn a basic commission of 6.25%, and you'll have a bonus of 1.75%. So the total commission will be 8%. That is high. And also if you sell men's shoes, you will have an 8% commission. And if you sell something like a phone, you will have a 3.5% commission. So let's calculate how much can we get from Jumia if we are working so hard. So if I come and search for men shoes, for example, then I pick on any shoe. For example, this is 2,650. So I want to calculate how much can I get from Jumia when I sell this very product. So I'll come here and fire up my calculator so that we can do this mathematics. So let's go back to the commission. For men's shoe, you are getting 8% of the total sale. So for us, we have 2,650. So all I need to do is to take 2,650. I will multiply it by 8%, right? And then I will divide this by 100 to make it a percentage. So I'm going to get 212 shillings from this sale. That is only a pair of shoes. So if I can sell, like for example, in a week or in a month, I can sell say 10 pairs of shoes, then I will be able to earn 2,120. And the calculation goes on and on. Then the arithmetic is very simple. So I need to show you how can you create a link for people to buy using your link. So all I need to do here is to copy this link because I need to go and sell these shoes. So all I need is to copy this link. After I've copied, I'll come back to Jumia call. I'll come to advertising, then click on custom links. Then here I will choose Jumia e-commerce, and then I will choose my country, Kenya. Then after that, I will now need to put here the link that I copied. So I'll come here, right click and say paste. After I've done that, I will put a sub affiliate ID. For example, my name. If I just want to use my name, I can just put one name or two names so that I have a sub affiliate ID. I can decide to put a channel if I want. For example, I put my second name. It's not a must. But then what you need to note is that these two names will be part of the link. So this link is the one that I'm going to share to my customers so that they can buy using my link. So if I go into this link and just move, you will realize that my name is in this link. This is Duncan. So this is from the sub affiliate ID, and I have Kazungu here from the channel. So that means basically this is a custom link that is mine. It's not for any other person. So all I need to do is to copy this link. After I've copied this link, I need now to share it on my social media. For example, I can use WhatsApp status, I can use Facebook, I can use Twitter or Instagram to sell this very product. But you can see the link is so long. So what I usually want to do is to shorten it. You can use a free website that is called bit.ly.com. So all you need to do is to come and search for bit.ly.com, and after that we shall shorten this link and share it online. So my friend, I'll click on create, and after that I'll right click and paste the link that I had copied. Ensure that it has the name that you put, right? For example, for me, I put Duncan and Kazungu. And the title here is Fashion Perfect Fitment. It has just derived it from the name that was given to this by Jumia. And maybe you would want to download this image and share online so that people can know the kind of shoes that you are selling. For example, I can just right click and I save this image. Then after I've saved the image, I can go, for example, to my Facebook and share it to my friends, right? So all I need to do is now to come here. So first of all, I will save this as shoes, maybe one, just like that. I've never sold shoes. I don't know how this will perform. Maybe I just post, then we shall go back and check it after some time. So I'll come back here and I want to load my Facebook, and after that I will share this to my friends, because friends are the best people you can sell your ideas. Start with your friends. If they approve it, my friend, you can go ahead. So I'll come here and create a post, and all I need to do is to tell my people, hey, I've found some new shoes here, would you like to buy them? So I'll just write something like, hey, I hope this finds you well, just like that. I am selling men shoes. If you would like to purchase these shoes, please click on this link, and then I will paste the link. Sorry. First of all, I don't want to paste this long link, so let me delete. We had shortened this link, so I'll come here and copy the shortened link. Sorry for that. Then I'll paste this here. So I've said, please click on this link for more details, just like that, for more details. If I don't want them to realize that it is Jumia, all I need to do is to close this, and I will put my custom picture. So I'll click here, and then I'll just pick a picture that I have downloaded, and my friend, I will just insert it there, and hopefully someone will click on this, just like that. And all I need to do now is to post. So my friends will see this, and someone who is interested in the shoes will go and purchase these shoes. And if they purchase, you know what I'm going to get out of that. You did the calculation, I'm going to get some good money. So this has been a full tutorial on how you can create a Jumia affiliate account for free, and you can sell your products online and get noticed and earn money direct to your M-Pesa without any interruptions. And I've said Jumia is genuine. They pay their customers and they also pay their, affiliates. So please try this free affiliate marketing, and I'm sure you are going to make some good money out of this. If you like this video, be sure to book that like button so that I can reach out to many more people. And if you would like my content, feel very, very free to hit that subscribe button, and not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.